પહેલાંના નઝીસ છે એ લોકોમાં સ્ટીલ મેટ્રિચલ ફેમિલી ઇઝ ઇન એક્ઝિસ્ટન્સ વેર વિમેન્સ are the main source of income. They are the karta of the family and they take the major decisions. Why there is a difference between patriarchal family and matriarchal? What is the basic reason, logical reason given why women are given more importance? Under matriarchal family, it is said that male lives a nomadic life, for they go from one place to another, and so they are not with the family throughout the life. They just live a nomadic life from one place to another. So father is not there, so the mother is the person who is living with the family, with the children, who is bringing the children. So she has to take the major decision in the family. So the first category is on the family. The first type of family divided is on the basis of authority, which is patriarchal and matriarchal. Next is on the basis of structure, right? The basis of structure means it is nuclear family, extended family and a joint family, right? Everybody would be aware of the structure of the family. Nuclear family, સંયુક્ત કુટુંબ, વિભક્ત કુટુંબ, બધાને અત્યારના જમાનામાં આ વિશે તો ખબર જ હશે, રાઈટ? ન્યુક્લિયર ફેમિલી મીન્સ વિભક્ત કુટુંબ. વિભક્ત કુટુંબ મીન્સ married couple, the day they get married, they live their life by their own without the interference of the elders, right? This type of families are mostly found in the West, in America and all. Nuclear family concept of America is nowadays accepted in our societies also, right? So nuclear family is a family where husband and wife after marriage start living their life by their own without any interference of the parents, of any elders. So nuclear family means husband and wife, and with their marriage their children, their offspring. So that is a nuclear family, which is in the modern Indian society we will find a nuclear families, right? Nowadays the world has become so global that jobs are also from one place to another, right? Earlier if you see that people were not much changing the living place from where they have born. They like to stay with their parents, right? Nowadays they like, parents and the children like to explore out, right? To learn, to explore themselves and to take a job opportunities which they get for different places, right? From Gujarat they move to outside in Gujarat, different states of India and even outside India for a better job opportunity. So once they get married, they take their wife with them and they start their nuclear family without anybody's interference. Next is extended family. What do you mean by extended family? Extended family is parents, father, mother, their children, unmarried daughter and married son with his wife and his children, right? Extended family is a family where a parent stay with their unmarried daughter and a married son with his wife and his children, right? So this system is still in existence in Indian society, right? Still the parents like to stay with their children, right? It is with one son, his wife and their children. But what do you mean by joint family? Joint family means parents, they have unmarried daughter and 2-3 children or more than one son. They got married, both their son, their wife, their children all together live in one family, live in one home, right? Live in one kitchen, share one house, live together, eat together, have a joint business, then that is called a joint family, right? So if we see the difference between extended family and a joint family, extended family is a parents with their unmarried daughter, son, his wife and their children, right? But when more than one son is there, then their wife after marriage and their children together live together and share the same home, share the same kitchen, everything together, having a same business, financially also connected to each other, then that is called a joint family system. This system has nowadays, with the western influence in our society, this system is day by day reducing. સંયુક્ત કુટુંબ જે કહે છે, જ્યાં માતા પિતા, એમના બાળકો, એમના લગ્ન થયા પછી એમના પત્ની, એમના બાળકો જ્યારે જોડે રહે છે ત્યારે એને કહેવાય છે સંયુક્ત કુટુંબ, જ્યાં પરિવારના બધા જ લોકો હળીમળીને જોડે રહે છે, જોડે જમે છે, વ્યવસાય જોડે કરે છે અને સંયુક્ત રીતે રહે છે, જે અત્યારના ઇન્ડિયન કલ્ચરમાં દિવસે દિવસે ઓછું થવા માંડ્યું છે. વાય? બિકોઝ વી હેવ એક્સેપ્ટેડ ધ મોડર્નિટી, વેસ્ટર્ન કલ્ચર એન્ડ ધ જોબ. બિકોઝ ઓફ ધ ગ્લોબલાઇઝેશન જોબ ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટીઝ વધી ગઈ છે, એટલે બાળકોએ લગ્ન થયા, ભણાયા પછી બીજે નોકરી માટે જવું જ પડે છે because of the better opportunity. With that, the system of joint family has day by day decreased and the nuclear family system has increased, right? The next type of family is on the basis of residence. Now, on the basis of residence we see means the where they reside. On the basis of residence means where they reside. First is matrilocal family, right? Matrilocal family means a family where after marriage husband resides in the city where the wife family is residing, right? મેટ્રીલોકલ પરિવાર કુટુંબ એટલે લગ્ન થયા પછી પતિ પત્ની જ્યાં રહે છે ત્યાં જઈને રહેવાનું શરૂ કરી દે છે, રાઈટ? પેટ્રીલોકલ ફેમિલી મીન્સ આફ્ટર મેરેજ વાઇફ સ્ટાર્ટ રિસાઇડિંગ વિથ ધ હસબન્ડ્સ ફેમિલી. પતિના પરિવાર જોડે પતિ જ્યાં રહે છે ત્યાં રહેવાનું શરૂ કરી દે છે, રાઈટ? શી સ્ટાર્ટ્સ રિસાઇડિંગ વેર ધ હસબન્ડ ઇઝ સ્ટેઇંગ. And Avulocan family means husband and wife, પતિ અને પત્ની તેમના હસબન્ડના મેટર્નલ અંકલ મામાના ઘરે રહેવાનું શરૂ કરે છે, રાઈટ? This structure, this new Avulocal family system is rarely found, right? You will not find much of Avulocal family. વધારે તમને મેટ્રીલોકલ જ જોવા મળશે કે પેટ્રીલોકલ, અધરવાઇઝ નિયોલોકલ, રાઈટ? મોસ્ટલી યુ વિલ ફાઇન્ડ પેટ્રીલોકલ ફેમિલીઝ ઇન ઇન્ડિયા, ઇન ઇન્ડિયન કલ્ચર, right? If we talk about Hindu family system, then you will see more of a patrilocal families, right? So avulocal family is a family where couple after marrying start residing where the uncle is staying. maternal uncle જ્યાં રહે છે, મામા જ્યાં રહે છે ત્યાં રહેવાનું શરૂ કરી દે છે, right? Now neolocal family is something concept of a western culture, I can say, where both are career oriented. પતિ અને પત્ની બેવનો પોતાનો વ્યવસાય છે, પોતે પોતાની રીતે એમાં બિઝી છે. સો husband is staying somewhere else, wife is staying somewhere else, and both as such they are husband and wife, but they don't live together. Neolocal means they live at their own job places, right? For example, if I give, wife is staying in Ahmedabad, having a very good job opportunity in Ahmedabad, so she works in Ahmedabad, and the husband has a very good job opportunity in Baroda, so he stays in Baroda, and in weekends they meet, they live their life as a husband and wife on weekend. So such type of family is called a neolocal family. This has still not found in Indian society. It is very common in Western culture where husband and wife both live by their own. They live in their own rented apartment or whatever way they want to live in their own cities, and in the weekends, in the holidays, they spend time with each other. They are a husband and wife, but they are not living together. This system is a type of a Western type of family. Indian society, if we talk about Hindus, then a patrilocal family is our system of family where a wife after marriage lives with where the husband is staying, right? Next type of family is on the basis of marriage. Now on the basis of marriage means first is monogamy, right? Monogamy, we discussed it in earlier, that it is one wife at a time, one wife or one husband at a time, right? When one husband or one wife is alive, you cannot have a second marriage. So Hindu Marriage Act 1955 has brought this concept of monogamy, one husband or one wife at a time, right? Bigamy, that also we discussed it earlier, that is two husband or two wife at a time, right? One wife is alive and you are having a second marriage, then that is a bigamy, which is an offense. Polygamy, which has been totally abolished, right, was system much in the olden days, which was much common, right? Multiple husband or multiple wife, right? This system has totally been abolished. Polygamy is something which in olden days you will find in Mahabharata, right? Draupadi having five husband, right? So polygamy is a fraternal and non-fraternal. Fraternal means all the husbands are brothers, which is the example of fraternal polygamy, and when all are not husbands, then they are non-fraternal polygamy, which this system has totally abolished. Only under the Muslim Marriage Act, polygamy, that is 4 wife, is allowed, right? So one of the type of family is on the basis of marriage. Last is on the basis of lineage. Lineage means ancestral, right? From your father's side 5 generation and from mother's side 3 generation. So all the person come under the lineage, right? Gotra, ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો lineage એટલે ગોત્ર. Everybody has his ગોત્ર. કોઈ બી વ્યક્તિ હોય છે તો એનું એક ગોત્ર હોય છે. તમે ક્યારે બી જશો, બધા પૂછશે કે કયા ગોત્રના છો તમે, રાઈટ? સો દેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ lineage. Lineage એટલે શું? મીન્સ ગોત્ર એટલે family when live together having their own blood relation, they are from one gotra. So under many customs you cannot marry in your own gotra also. Brahmin માં બી એવું છે, રાઈટ, કે એક ગોત્રની અંદર તમે લગ્ન નથી કરી શકતા. You have to be from another gotra, right? Lineage means when you talk about the marriage, right, this is a whole family structure, different types of family. આપણે ચર્ચા કરી અલગ અલગ જાતના અલગ અલગ પ્રકારના કુટુંબોની, પણ lineage છે, lineage એટલે ગોત્ર. Being a Hindu, if you want to marry in a Hindu lineage, ancestralમાં fatherની side, for boy and a girl, for husband and a wife, from father side 5 lineage. Ancestral, if it's father, father's father, father's father's father, so till 5th generation, and from mother's side 3 generation, you cannot marry, right? That is called a prohibitory degree of marriage. That is called સપિંદા રિલેશન. સપિંદા સંબંધો એને કહેવાય છે, જ્યાં તમે લગ્ન નથી કરી શકતા. દેટ ઇઝ અ પ્રોહિબિટેડ ડિગ્રી. lineage એટલા ગોત્રમાં એટલા જનરેશન સુધી તમે લગ્ન નથી કરી શકતા, રાઈટ? So this was a whole structure of family, type of family, કે કુટુંબને આટલા રીતે વિભાજિત કરવામાં આવ્યું છે, right? But in Hindu, being a Hindu family, જો કુટુંબની પરિભાષામાં જોઈએ અને હિન્દુમાં જોઈએ તો પેટ્રિચલ ફેમિલી અત્યારે એક્ઝિસ્ટન્સમાં છે. Throughout the world, if you will see, this concept is more applicable. Patriarchal family and a patrilocal family, right? બધી કેટેગરીમાં જોઈએ તો patriarchal family is in existence, patrilocal family is in existence. Patrilocal means the wife resides with the husband after marriage. લગ્ન થયા પછી પતિ જ્યાં રહે છે ત્યાં પત્ની પોતે રહેવા માંડે છે, right? And monogamy is very important thing. After the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, જ્યારથી આ અમલમાં આવી છે 1955થી, monogamy is very important. So કુટુંબની શરૂઆત આ બધી વસ્તુથી થાય છે. જ્યારે બધા જોડે મળીને, રાઈટ, ઇટ મે બી એન એક્સટેન્ડેડ ફેમિલી, ઇટ મે બી અ ન્યુક્લિયર ફેમિલી, ઇટ મે બી અ જોઈન્ટ ફેમિલી, પણ જ્યારે આ બધા વ્યક્તિ કીન એટલે રિલેટિવ ઓફ વન અનધર, જ્યારે જોડે મળે છે ત્યારે એને કુટુંબ કહેવાય છે, રાઈટ. કુટુંબ માટે એવું જરૂરી નથી. અલગ અલગ લેખકે આપણે જોયું અલગ અલગ રીતે ડિફરન્ટ ઓથર્સ હેવ ગિવન ડિફરન્ટ ડેફિનેશન્સ, રાઈટ. સો ઇટ ઇઝ અ ગ્રુપ ઓફ પીપલ વિચ આર રિલેટેડ ટુ વન અનધર બાય બ્લડ, બાય હાફ બ્લડ, રાઈટ, બટ દે આર કનેક્ટેડ ટુ વન અનધર એન્ડ હેવ અ કન્સેન્ગ્યુટી. કન્સેન્ગ્યુટી મીન્સ જોડે રહેવાની, એ જોડે રક્ત સંબંધો છે એનામાં, રાઈટ. નાવ મેં વાત કરી ફૂલ બ્લડ, હાફ બ્લડ. ફૂલ બ્લડ એટલે શું? ફૂલ બ્લડ મીન્સ વેન ધ ચિલ્ડ્રન્સ આર બોર્ન ફ્રોમ ધ father and mother, right? One father and one mother, the child has born, they are called a full blood, right? Half blood, અર્ધરક્ત એટલે when the father is same but mother is different, right? A child whose father is same but a mother is different, and that child is called a recognized by a half blood. અર્ધરક્તથી પૂર્વ રક્ત means full blood, right? So under this different way the family has been given a different formation, right? Now if we go with we discussed what is family. કુટુંબ જોયું. હવે કુટુંબમાં શરૂઆત કુટુંબની ક્યારે થાય છે? લગ્ન થયા છે, રાઈટ. પુરુષ અને સ્ત્રીના ભેગા થઈને લગ્ન થયા છે, મેરેજ થાય છે, એમાંથી એમના બાળકો થાય છે, ઓફસ્પ્રિંગ થાય છે, with their relation, then that becomes a family. ફેમિલીની શરૂઆત લગ્નથી જ થાય છે, રાઈટ. બે જણ લગ્ન કરશે તો એમાંથી તેમને બાળક થશે, ઓફસ્પ્રિંગ થશે, with that they will start a family, their own family. So lagna is a very important thing. Marriage is a very important thing. So let's talk about marriage. Lagna એટલે શું? What do you mean by marriage, right? Marriage is a union of male and a female. Marriage is a union of flesh to flesh and bone to bone. એટલે એવું કહેવાય છે કે લગ્ન એ બે વ્યક્તિને ભેગા કરે છે, રાઈટ. હિન્દુમાં તમે જોયું હોય તો વાઇફ ઇઝ સેડ એઝ એન અર્ધાંગિની, પત્નીને અર્ધાંગિની કહેવામાં આવે છે. મેન ઇઝ ઇનકમ્પ્લીટ ઇફ હી ઇઝ નોટ મેરિડ, હી બિકમ્સ કમ્પ્લીટ વન